I like to buy things, but whenever I can, I always love to make things that help me. So, furniture dollies. Great item to have when you are making over furniture. It's just wheels, some wood. I can make this. So for one furniture dolly, you need 2 pieces of wood, a piece of ply, and 4 wheels. I had found some plywood on the side of the road. I cut the pieces down by 1 foot by 2 foot. And then, just for added strength, I also found these on the side of the road. So I cut these in 1 foot pieces. So you just need this to put your wheels on. Great wheels. If you don't need it, don't need the brake, they do have this option in without the wheel, without the brake, without the wheels. You need the wheels. I want to make 4 furniture dollies. I'm going to show you all of that in just a second. Sorry, I keep looking at the thing, but I really should look at you guys right there. Anyway, I'm just sharing what I've done to make my life a little easier. Maybe it'll make your life a little easier and you can make it out of scraps that you already have. Alright, here we go. And you need wood glue as well. Forgot to mention that before. And I'm also using my nail gun, my brad nailer. It's got 2-inch brads in there. Some glue. Not a whole lot. You don't need a lot. This is not like a gluing project at school. Flatten it out. Spread it around. Flip it over. And you're going to line it up evenly with the edges. I'm going to take my brad nailer and I'm going to knot here because this is where the wheels are going to be, and I don't want the brad nail to interfere with the screws, so about here-ish. So I'm going to do some brad nails along here, okay? And one in the middle over here because it's not going to interfere. Now, because I'm fussy, I want my wheels 1 inch from the side and 1 inch from the front. I have some screws I've salvaged and screw in. Whoa, my horse is moving. Okay, that's better. I'm so chuffed with these. They're gonna do exactly what I need them to do, get my furniture up off the floor. Also, because I'm in my basement, it doesn't flood terribly, but when it does rain, water, like there's this like little river that forms from this back corner into that corner. When you're making over furniture pieces, water is not your friend, especially when you're doing it to try and resell or doing them for clients. So furniture dollies are gonna keep stuff up off the ground. I'm so excited. And not only that, it's gonna be easy for me to move stuff around, you know, swing it around and paint one side, paint the next side, that sort of thing, rather than me getting up and moving around. So good. And there they are, holding up my next project. They look so good. They're doing exactly what I need them to do. And that's the other one. Super easy, guys. If I could do it, anybody can do it. See ya.